This class we are going to deal with oscillations. Oscillations you might have learned in early classes. It's a part of periodic motion. Periodic motion is that something which repeats after a very regular interval of time. Assume that we have a simple pendulum like this. This simple pendulum oscillates between two extreme points. So that motion repeats after every interval of time, regular interval of time. Such a motion that is called as periodic motion. Okay, there are some other periodic motions as well. Periodic motions like motion of earth around sun. So this is earth and this is sun. This motion, movement of earth around sun, takes place, repeats after every 1 year. Okay, so that's again a periodic motion, but this time it is circular periodic motion. Now third example for periodic motion, that is here you have a wall. To that wall a spring is attached, and here you have a block. This position we can name it as O, this extreme position that we can name it as B, and here we can name it as A. Here the block can be pulled towards right side, and block can be pulled towards right side, or block can be pushed inwards. Both the way, the motion will continue repeating. So this motion that we call it as linear periodic motion. Okay, and oscillation, so that is how the periodic motion works. uh, Periodic motions can be expressed in terms of sine or cosine functions. Okay, when you express periodic motion in terms of sine function, the motion would be like this. Okay, that is sine function. And when you express in terms of cosine function, the curve would be like, okay, out of phase. Okay, so that will be a different. So you can represent the periodic motion as sine function or cosine function. Okay, and oscillations can be found in mechanical system, electrical system, and magnetic system, etc. Okay.